hair cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Jessieswig. This is my second time working with them. The first time I reviewed a straight glueless wig, and I'll make sure to pop up the thumbnail for that right here and also link that video up in the cards above and also in the description box below so you guys can check that out after this one. Today's unit that they sent over goes by the name of Brown Highlights Glueless 13x4 Pre-Plucked HD Lace Frontal Body Wave Wig Black Roots Human Hair. They offer this unit in multiple different lengths of 14 all the way down to 26 inches, and I received the 24 inch. They also offer this unit in multiple laces of 13x4, 5x6, and 4x4, and each and every one of them comes in 180% density. This unit does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and of course it comes with the really nice body wave styling on the unit, but me being me, I did go in and shampoo, condition, and then I let the unit air dry overnight, and then this morning I decided to go in and curl her. Nothing too serious, my standard basic curling, so I didn't really feel the need to record that process. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, one in the back, the other 2 are at the front with one on each side. It also comes with the adjustable straps here in the back, and it also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust and or remove, of course, if you choose to do so. But then on that security band, it also has like the silicone piping. That way it helps to aid in securing the unit. I don't know why I just put my hand up like that. You can't really see them in depth right now, but it does come with these really pretty brown highlights throughout the entire unit. And I mean, don't worry, I will be giving you all a 360 after I install the unit. But speaking of installing the unit, let me stop jacking my jaws and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-C-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too brady. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G block stainers, and we got adopted by some flip for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to.
Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Jessieswig. Actually, before we even get into talking about the wig, I do want to apologize about the lighting. I know it's been fluctuating throughout this entire video, but girl, in my defense, today has been a long day. But I was determined to get this video filmed today, so here we are. But anywho, you guys know how I like to do my pros and cons on a unit. Well, if you're not new here, then you know how I like to do my pros and cons on a unit. So of course, we're going to start with my cons first. And I really only have one, and that con would be that this unit is not big head friendly, girl. If you are someone who has like a smaller size to an average size head, then this unit is going to be perfect for you. But if you're somebody like myself who has, you know, a couple more inches or some really thick hair that you like to tuck up underneath the wig, baby, go ahead and bypass this unit. When I first put this unit on my head, I was just like, ooh, she's a little tight. So I instantly took her off, and then I was like, maybe it's just because the adjustable straps were like too far in. Girl, they were only 1 hook in. So of course I put them on the furthest hooks out, or the furthest loops out. I always do that. And it was still too tight. I was just like, okay, yeah, Low-key though, despite that one con, I'm still tempted to wear this unit. I would just be mindful though of when and how long I wear her. So I would say, you know, maybe 1 to 3 hours max, and as soon as I get back home, maybe even as soon as I get back into the car, she's coming off. But anywho, let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. My first pro would have to be the highlights. I like how they're throughout the entire unit, and I also feel like they were tastefully done. The only thing is, I do wish that they were like a little bit more chocolate brown, but I mean, that's just me being picky. My next pro is going to be the density for this unit. I really like how it's coming in 180% density because it gives like a really natural feel to it. Now don't get me wrong, I have a lot of units that are 150% density, and sometimes those units do feel like 4 on the full side, but sometimes they can also feel on the thinner side. I don't know, I feel like with this 180% density, or at least with Jessieswig's 180% density, it gives again a very full but at the same time natural feel. My next pro is going to be how well this lace is melted. Now I am going to go ahead and cover up this side because my lace is lifting, but like I told you earlier, girl, today has been a long day, so just don't mind this part. But I will show you guys up close how well this lace is melting, and it's just it just looks so good. And I mean, I love that for me. Another pro, and my final pro that I'm going to talk about in regards to this unit, is the fact that the body wave is body waving. This unit is holding its curls like faithfully. Now as you saw at the beginning of the video, I did go in and like pre-curl the unit, and so like I said, it's been a long day, so those curls got to stay in for quite a while, and I'm just like, okay, I don't know, sometimes I feel like with body wave units, I can like use a round brush, I can use a flat brush, I can use a wide tooth comb, and you know, I can get the curls to like fall faster, if you will, I guess. Child, this hair is holding on to a curl, like I just stated, faithfully. I honestly feel like I over curled the hair just a little bit because I don't know, I didn't want this tight of a curl. Now granted, I mean, it might not look too tight to you, but if I use this round brush, like, look at that, like, come on now, like I said, the body wave is body waving, y'all can see. I didn't cut any layers into this hair because I feel like I always cut layers into my like longer units, but I just know whenever I do decide to cut some layers into this unit, like, the curls are going to eat even more, and so I need to make sure that I don't over curl it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say in regards to this unit. If you plan on picking her up, I'll make sure to have all of the information for her down in the description box below. You can also use my code TAN12. I'm pretty sure it's still active, and that should save you 12% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.